In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can create polls in Discord groups. Creating polls in Discord groups is crucial for engaging members, gathering feedback, making decisions efficiently, building a sense of community, and adding an element of fun to group interactions. To do this, simply head into your Discord. Let's say you want to create a poll in this specific group, simply access your keyboard. You will then tap on this plus icon and select on the option of polls. Enter the question or topic you want to discuss about. Go ahead and enter the choices or answers where group members will have to choose from. You can also mark right here to allow multiple answers to your poll. You will then set a duration when you want this poll to appear in your group. Tap on post and your poll will actively get added and visible to all members in the group. That's how easy it is to add polls in Discord groups. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.